how to add signature in Outlook. So basically, to add a signature, you will need just to go to your parameter or the Outlook settings or account, and basically you'll be able to access the signature panel or just menu. And the easiest way to do is, instead of just searching for parameters and going to contacts, etc., you will need just to send a new message. Basically, just go for a new message, and from here we will find signature. By clicking on signature, we can find our signatures, and also you can see the signatures, three dots, and from here you can go to the signature panel or parameters and you can add a new one. So as you can see, this is new signature, and basically from here you can find all the list of all your previous signatures, and all you need to do is to click a new one. And basically from here you will need to add a new or to assign a name for your signature. So let's just name it, and after that you can start to have your signature here, like adding things. You can have other options of your, from like adding images like your logo, anything that you would like, and you can copy, etc. And you can also change the font. So as you can see, we can just select, give it any font we want, and you can have the full control, the fonting or the formatting of your signature. So basically after all that, you will need just to click on save, and you will have your signature will be successfully added. So basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.